Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lynshop po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Jangka Kot Kekia Jangka Sarkar Jilla Uba Alexander Elhek Hakalai Trik Ubana Jileu Arjara Arpuai Uliathu Baka Sarkar Kalalong Kabala Pynkhreh Ban Yakun Tma Sashisien Pat Persya Ya Ka Jingpang Kelam COVID-19 Lada Ka Lynshop Yang Hakasin Kabalai Ya Ka Jilla Meghalaya Barok Kawai Haka Jingya Keren Bat Kilat Pathai Kubor Uba Elhek Uliathu Nakaliang Gejong U Uladap lumru ya ka jingyalang bat ki officer jong katanat ka kot ka khia ban yathir yatai bha halor kani kamat khanang baka jilla meghalaya kan laj na ka jingdo ai ki mensim ki ba corridor ki balla ban shakta na ka jingwan Lynshop jong ka khlam jingpang COVID-19.
This morning we had the meeting discussing about the third wave. It might be affect directly to the children. So I have told very categorically to the principal secretary and commissioner secretary over here. I told them we should not wait for any wave, second wave, third wave or whatever wave. The preparations of a third wave, it should be ready, particularly for safety, but protecting of our children below 18 years old. Those we have not been even given the vaccine. See, now we have the MCH, Mother and Child Hospital, like Ganesh Das is a Mother and Child Hospital. Many other hospitals also like the Joy, we have MCH hospital, but we have not started due to the COVID, that it has been occupied for COVID. Okay. So we have like Mairang also, MCH hospital. So we have so many Mother and Child Hospital. They are also in Umran, the Rivoy district, that also already almost 99% of MCH hospital is completed. But due to COVID, it has been prepared and going to be converted to the COVID hospital for time being. So now since many of the MCH hospital, Mother and Child Health, it has been turned to us COVID hospital. So we have to prepare. Which way to prepare? It is the responsibility of our government to get ready for any eventuality. Below or above 18, we had started. 45 plus has been started. Someone have already got the second doses also. The issue here is the vaccines. Vaccine is not only the Meghalaya scenario I'm talking about it. Even the whole country, all the other states also, we are very, very shortage of vaccines. But still the vaccination center is going on, but will not be able to fulfill the requirement since the vaccine is still coming very slow.